Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through automating your shutdown process on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Often, we find ourselves waiting for installations to complete on our systems. Rather than waiting around, you can schedule your computer to automatically shut down once the installation is finished. Whether you're working late at night and might forget to shut down your computer, an automatic shutdown schedule can prove incredibly useful. Go to the search toolbar, search for Task Scheduler, and click on it. Look to the right, and you'll see an option labeled Create Basic Task. Click on it. A new window will appear where you can name your task. Feel free to choose any name. I'll call mine Automatic Shutdown. Click Next. It will prompt you to select when you want the task to start. You have the option to automate it daily, weekly, or monthly. It's entirely up to you. If you choose daily, click Next. Then, specify the exact shutdown time. This is crucial because the computer will automatically power off at this scheduled time. For example, if you prefer a daytime shutdown, enter 10 o'clock and make sure AM is selected. If you prefer PM, adjust the time accordingly for your scheduled routine. After setting the shutdown time, choose Recurs every day if you want this to happen daily. Then, click on Next. Decide what action you want the task to perform. Select Start a Program, and then click Next. In the Program/Script field, type Shutdown. In the Add Arguments box, enter /s/f/t0. Here, /s initiates shutdown, /f forces applications to close, and /t0 sets the shutdown timer to 0 seconds. After configuring these settings, finish. Then, specify the exact shutdown time. This is crucial because the computer will automatically power off at this scheduled time. If you decide to change your mind later, click on Task Scheduler Library. Double-click on Automatic Shutdown. You can modify the settings. Right-click to see various options. You can choose Delete to remove automatic shutdown, or select Disable to deactivate it. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and now feel confident setting up automated tasks on your computer. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.